A new type of COVID testing is being trialled in the mining industry that's more effective than rats and faster than PCRs. The machines can process thousands of results in just an hour, prompting calls for the WA-created technology to be rolled out in aged care.
A brand new weapon in WA's COVID arsenal. It's more accurate than a rapid antigen test, faster than a PCR and able to screen 4,000 saliva samples in an hour, with the results ready in just 35 minutes.
The system enables you to screen asymptomatic people, and in our validation trials that we've undertaken in the UK, we have been able to identify 100% of people who would have an infectious viral load.
The Sentinel system, developed right here in WA, uses RT lamp chemistry, which detects the virus through a chemical reaction, and has now been approved for trial in WA's resources sector.
I think it's more likely that the first application will be a centralised processing in conjunction with the pathology provider, and then potentially at the airport itself.
It can also screen for COVID and influenza side by side, the company urging the federal government to approve the system for use in aged care.
We would like to see a transition for some of the more vulnerable and delicate applications to a technology such as Avicenna's.
Today's COVID cases lingered at 5,626, with 155 people in hospital and 3 in ICU. Doctors are now hopeful WA won't reach its predicted peak of 10,000 cases, but warn this week will be telling.
Hopefully what we'll see is that we're actually hitting a plateau of around 5,000 to 6,000 cases a day, and that will stay there for some time.
PCR tests confirmed more than half of today's cases, with the rest by rat tests. Doctors now closely watching the Sentinel system's trial.
If this actually proves to be more accurate, more practical, and sit somewhere in between the two, then it could be very applicable in a controlled environment such as aged care.
This is a prototype of the next generation of the machine. It's about a third of the size. It'll be faster, quieter and able to be more easily deployed to workplaces needing tests. The new system is being used for random COVID tests to track down asymptomatic people this weekend, with the results to be processed tomorrow. Amelia Simpson for 10 News First.